to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how chicken chips are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Careful with the temperature seal on this one. Okay, let's move it inside quickly. The next truck is here.
Check the thermal regulator on line 3, it's showing a slight deviation. Yeah, I see that. The sanitation cycle just completed. Right, parameters are stable now, let's log it.
We carefully balance the minced chicken with a precise blend of spices and starch.
The ratios are spiking on manifold 3.
I see it. Adjusting the flow regulator now.
Levels stable. Good catch.
Each batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chicken chips are made in Taze, from start to finish.